GERMAREL Power.
GERMAREL 40 kVA Navy UPS. So this is for a frigate. It's produced special, and internally all the metal chassis inside are really thick and fits to standards. And our solution is produce easy to give service. So you just open the door and then you can touch everything from front panel. So we have isolation transformer input and output side, also battery cabinets. All of them are really strong, and all of them has this special anti-vibration and anti-shock. So metal feet. So it is perfect. And anything you need about the Navy UPS, Frigate UPS, or Marine UPS with anti-shock options, we are here to produce and supply for you. Also for the land military applications, we are here to give you our best price and then best quality. So we produce this solution in only 10 weeks. This was unique design, so it's tailor-made. So we are also really fast, and then we give our design service and producing service, and also commissioning and teaching how to use the machine at site. All are okay. We are capable of all these solutions. And while you are buying any kind of military or Navy UPS, please be sure the metal chassis must be strong. It must be halogen-free, the cables, and it must have special anti-vibration feet, rubber or metal. So internally it must be easy to reach, and it must be used special and bigger cables and IGBTs and thyristors. So anytime you need any question, let us know. We are here to supply all information to you. Thank you.
GERMAREL Power.